Fujifilm Business Innovation. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner and waste toner box on the Fujifilm APS C325. When your toner is required to be changed, a banner will come up on the UI of the screen, or at any time you can select the right arrow, the consumables button on the bottom, and view which toner needs to be replaced. Scrolling through will allow you to see your drum cartridge and waste toner box. On the right side of the machine, you have your side door. Opening this will display your toners and your waste toner box. Today we will replace the magenta toner. So if you squeeze the tan area up, holding with your thumb, also remove your toner with your new toner. Remove any packaging and orange tape. Inserting your new toner simply by lining it up, clicking it in, the toner is being replaced. With your waste toner box, the tan area again allows you to squeeze it down, remove your waste toner box, remove your new one from the box, insert your new waste toner box till it clicks again, close your side door, your toner and waste toner box is being replaced. Thank you.